beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie, pretty Lizzie Akimble. So this is another skincare video. I hope you find it educating, and if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share with friends and leave a comment below. So today I'll be talking about turmeric powder as a max and apple cider vinegar. I have been using turmeric powder as a max with honey for a year now, and it has been working well. Yeah, I love the result. But then I don't know if turmeric powder and honey gives me pimple, but I am in that time of the month when I always have pimple on my face. So basically, turmeric powder and honey works here for face mask. The first time I noticed turmeric powder and honey was someone on the street wearing it, and I thought it was Gary and oil. I didn't even ask the person, not until I started seeing it on YouTube, and then I realized, oh, it was turmeric powder and honey. And I saw so many videos of turmeric powder and honey, and it's the review and the thumbnail are just like, it happens like magic. It's very, very convincing, like it happens like magic. Oh no, I'm going to give you the honest review. Turmeric powder and honey or apple cider vinegar doesn't happen like magic. It takes time. I tried using it for like a week. Expectation was very, very high, but it didn't meet up to my expectations. So I will share some clip with you on the process and how to use it. You try it and let me know how it works for your skin. Just look for what works for your skin. And one good thing about this product is it is natural. It is natural organic product. It's either use turmeric powder and honey or coconut oil, or just add it to your scrub. Let's get into this video. Let me show you how I use the turmeric powder and apple cider vinegar for a week.
I am Jack Leaks. I love you.
So these are my ingredients. I'll be using apple cider vinegar, shea butter and turmeric. You can use coconut oil or honey. Just look for whatever works for you. So I'll be mixing all together and I will stir it to form a paste, and I'll use a cotton wool to apply it all over my face. So right now I'm applying it all over my face, and the apple cider vinegar smell is so strong, like it's very uncomfortable. It smells bad. And I'm applying it all over my face, and then I'll wait for it to dry before I rinse it off. So I waited for more than 30 minutes before rinsing it off my face, and this is what it looks like. My face looks light and fresh, and this is another day. I'm applying it all over my face again. So it was getting dark and I had to go close to the window because there was no light, and look at my face. I can see some little changes, but not really. This looks brighter, fresh and smooth, and I had dry skin, so I just stopped doing it. I would advise you not to do it practically every day, like 7 days, but at least twice a week or once a week. And also I have been using Bates face cream on my face. After using turmeric powder and honey, I use it on my face, and it contains SPF, which helps with sunburn. So I would advise you to get it. It's a whitening cream, but it doesn't really whiten my face, but still it helps my skin. And then I'll be trying something else soon, because I feel like whenever I try using something for like a week or 2 weeks, it works, and then the next week it doesn't work again. I try using a product now and then it works for me, and then it switch. So I'd advise you to make your own face mask. Some people use turmeric powder and tomato. I would love to try that. Just let me know what works for you. And after using the turmeric powder and honey, I rinse my face with my organic black soap. Please make sure you check out that video. I'll put the link in the description box below, and reviewing organic skincare brand. Make sure you check out that video. And also I created a video on how to properly use organic black soap. Please make sure you check it out, because I use the organic black soap to rinse my face after using turmeric powder. And leave a suggestion below, leave a comment below. Have you tried it before? Did it work for your skin? Please make sure you leave a comment below. And I got a comment on my video on DIY organic black soap. Someone said turmeric powder and honey gives her pimples. So it depends on what works for you. I feel like honey gives me pimples, I just started noticing it, but I've been using it for a very long time. So just look for what works for your skin, and I hope you find it educating. I hope you try it out, and please share your experience with me in the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and make sure you stay updated for more skincare videos, juicy girl talk, feminine hygiene. Please make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye.